Hi, today I'm going to be telling you about Honeygain's payout. So, the way Honeygain payout is they have two methods, right? They have only two methods right now. The payout method right now is PayPal and also Jump Task. Now, of course, PayPal is the most well known one. It's a third party service provider and it's probably the most easy one as to pay out your money. If you're wondering how you can see your current payout and how much you can get right now, you can go to the dashboard here. You can go to statistics, and on statistic here, you can see this is how much money you have. So right now, I have about 3,000 credits here, and this is the payout I could get. You can see the gift coupon, and you can see this is the total earnings as well. So 3,000 credits here, right? If you're wondering how much 3,000 credits is, 10 credits I think is about 0.01 cent, so about 1 cent. So you'll need about 20,000 credits to get a payout. So 20,000 credits is about $20, right? So right now I only have about $3 here, right? So once I have 20,000 credits, you can get a payout with PayPal. If you're wondering what the average payout of Honeycane is, with how Honeycane works, you share internet bandwidth, right? So if you share about 1 gigabyte, you can get $10, I think, or $1 it was. Yeah, I think it was $1 instead. So it depends on how much you use your internet. If you use your internet a lot and you have a really fast internet and you can share a lot of bandwidth, you could get a higher payout than others. But I think the average payout for most users is about $5 to $1 a day. So if you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.